in a fish factory, canned fish factory. I don't know, maybe there's a specific word for that, but I don't know it. And it was well received in the circuit of festivals. It won the short film prize in the Festival of Sundance, and it has been moving around European festivals ever since it was screened. Patxi told me that it was first released in the Festival of Valladolid, where his films were also released, but Madria won. But he was not resentful, and he was he really wanted to watch it too. And the film is about the language. We chose this film because it's a very particular film in terms of language and the audiovisual translation, because it's a Galician dialect from the coast. And as Fernando talked to the director Álvaro Gago, who was really implicated in the process of translation, especially some particular expressions and words that were difficult in a way to translate to English. So let's see the result.